Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS PowerPoint video series. So in the last class we have discussed about these options. Now we are going to move to the illustration ribbon. So here, as you can see, here's the option of the shape. We have already discussed about this in the home tab. So if you want to make a shape or if you want to draw a shape, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you have to draw the shape like that. So I'm going to delete this one, and now we are going to back to the other option, which is called icon. So you have to click on the icon. If you want any icon like related to home, and if you are making a CV or if you are making any presentation where you require some icons, you have to use this option, and here you will get the icons. This option will work with the help of internet. If you have the internet connection, you can download icon. For example, I'm going to use this one and this one. So after selecting the icon, you can search the icon from here as well. So you have to click on the insert. After clicking on the insert, it will be downloaded. So as you can see, I have inserted these both icons. So if you want to change the color and all things, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to graphics fill, and I'm going to make the color of this icon white. You can also do that. You have to click on this option and you have to select the color. So I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to increase the size of this shape, this icon. So as you can see, here's the icon. So in this way you can download the icon. So here's the graphics format tab. You can do the changes in the icon in this tab. So delete this one and go to the insert tab back, and now you will see the option like 3D models. So if you are designing a presentation where you need a 3D models or where you require a 3D model, you can also get the 3D models with the help of 3D models. As you can see, here are a lot of 3D models. You can download them. You have to click on this and you have to choose any one. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and now you have to click on the insert tab. Now you have to click on the insert and it will be inserted. So in this way you can insert. So as you can see, 3D model is here. We have downloaded this one. Now you can view this one in 3 angles. So this is the 3D means 3 dimension, and you can view this object in 3 dimension. If you want to increase the size of this one, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you can increase the size in this way, and now you can see that how you can view this one. We are viewing this in the 3 angles. So in this way you can download a 3D model and add it in your presentation. So I'm going to delete this one. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these options. So see you guys in the next video.